I'd now like to explain to you the new and revolutionary voestalpine compacore technology that is used to manufacture electric motors. Electric motors will be playing a very substantial role in the future. Just think about electromobility. The car of the future will most certainly have an electric engine, and that is why this is such a hot topic. But these engines will not only play a big role in the future, electric motors are already a very common thing in our daily lives. Think about your kitchen and your mixer. This is a good example of where the problem lies. Electric motors are loud and create a lot of heat. The voestalpine compacore technology is an improvement that can eliminate problems such as this. And that is what I'd like to show you now. First, we'll have to take a closer look at the electric motor. One part of the motor is the stator, which is not a solid metal component, but consists of many very thin laminations that must be bonded. Therefore, voestalpine uses a self-bonding varnish system. The new compacore backlack, which guarantees a full-surface inline bond that is suitable for large-scale serial production and makes it possible to produce many electric motors in a very short time. Let me illustrate this by using a wafer that is covered in chocolate. Here we have a full-surface bond. The wafer is covered in chocolate, and the chocolate has hardened to a certain degree. Now, if we heat the chocolate slightly, the chocolate becomes liquid, as you can see here. And when we take several wafers and put them into layers, we create a laminar structure with completely new mechanical properties. The advantage of this new structure is that it is much more energy efficient, much more stable, and much more compact. You need much less material to build a motor because you have more freedom of design. And much as I am now looking forward to these layers of wafers and chocolate, the engineers who designed the motors of the future are looking forward to doing so with compacore technology.
voestalpine. One step ahead.